sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I played for you, and how I'm drinking from the bottle as I do. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team. Oh, there's a light and there's a fire coming out.
Good morning, you guys. I have not vlogged in a minute. My husband's on vacation, so I thought for me just to take it easy this week with him and not vlog, because when I vlog I edit, and when I edit I'm on the computer all day, so, or I'm editing till like 12 o'clock at night. So he's watching a movie and I ignore him sometime when he talks to me because I can't hear him because of my earphones. So I thought, don't pick up the camera, just try to take it easy with him and enjoy this vacation with him. So I took like a couple of days off, you can say, and it's been so nice. There's been a couple of times I did want to pick up the camera, but today there is that Arctic storm coming down to Texas, so it's getting like really cold here in Texas. So it's super cold. So I have a shirt under, then I have this shirt, my jean jacket, and then I doubled up on my leggings because it's freezing here in Texas. I cannot believe it, you guys. It even might snow. What? In Texas? You guys, I got this new shirt from Walmart. Isn't it so cute? I got like an extra large just so it can be like, you know, a little bit baggy, with my jean jacket and then my tennies. Super cute. You guys, I just got Lily these cute little I was hoping that we can use them because it was getting a little warm here in Texas, but since this Arctic freeze is hitting like all week, I'm so glad I got these for her. They were so cheap on Shein, like they are so cheap there, and they are so cute. So this is the first time her wearing it. Oh, look, it has a little wrap or something. What is this? Oh, look, how cute is that? Oh, they come attached. Oh my god, so cute. I don't wanna. And they're installated. They have that furry stuff all inside of the mitten. Wow. So her hands are gonna be so warm.
Whoa.
That is so neat. Is it cold outside?
It's freezing outside.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So we are ready for this Arctic freeze. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at it. There's so much snow falling down. Oh, I got snow in my mouth. Wow, this looks just absolutely stunning. Ah, got something in my eye.
Look at this.
Look at all that snow.
Look. Snowball fight.
Lily, your hands are gonna get cold.
Get your mask on?
There is so much snow falling down, and we haven't seen this in years.
I got a big one.
Wow.
I got a big.
Careful, guys. There's a car coming. Come on, get over here.
No, I'm gonna go inside.
No, I'm gonna. Oh my gosh! Look at all this snow on the floor. It's actually all white. And then Oh, this is so exciting. That looks absolutely amazing. Look at that snow, you guys. Oh my God, that is crazy snow. So she is not cold at all, so that makes it that means that she's gonna want to stay out here longer because she's not cold at all. Okay, get up. Let's see your stuff. That looks beautiful. Look at that. You did it. Yay.
I like it.
Lily, that's a perfect snow angel. Wow. You're so cute. So what do you think about the snow?
Wait.
Aw. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at all this snow. You have to be kidding me. There's the fox. There's a fox right there. Oh my gosh, poor fox. See that? That's a little fox right there. Oh, I think I disturbed him. Oh my gosh. What is he doing? He should go back home. Whoa. This is absolutely crazy. Snow on the cars. Oh my goodness. There's at least like maybe half an inch or an inch of snow. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got my snowshoes on. I know. We need to take the trash out. We need to take the recycled out.
No, they're not coming. They're not coming.
Oh, they're not?
No.
Oh, okay.
Well, I don't know.
Your coat?
Yeah.
Okay, go inside. Go inside, baby.
The car.
I know. Come on, Lily.
I'm trying to let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up, it shoots me down. At this point I would rather be numb. I'm sick and tired of emotions. They've never done me any good, just tore me up into bits. I wish I knew how to call it quits. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind.
Is that a dog?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Lily, there's a dog. Come on, let's go inside. Wait. Wait, Lily. Go. Let's get at the gate. Hurry up. Run, Lily, run. Oh my gosh. Wait. Where did he go? Wait, I'm trying to see where he went. Okay, let's get inside. Oh my gosh. He's He's right there. Whoa. You see him? That's a pit bull. Whoa. I think he went back home.
You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath